Thank you for joining, and today I want to show uh, how to open the Bosch engine. I did in a speed lab. Here was a squeaking, screeching bearings, so I need to open the engine, regrease the bearings and put it back together. I did this already a couple of times and it's not the first time, and the same also is the same process when you change the bearings. So here I open the engine, then I remove the speed sensor or more torque sensor, I will say like this. Here I remove the plate, electroplate, which is connected with the grease. So I need to be careful that I don't damage some electronic parts. Then it's in a start it's glued because the grease is old, so it was really difficult to put it out. You need to be careful. Remove the circlip, open the torque sensor, remove it out, and like this go the shaft completely out, and I can then also remove the last bearing inside, and this means that it's everything ready to clean and that we can continue with the service, then later put it everything back together. I clean all parts and then was time to put the bearings back inside. Here I put the first bearing, which was the last out, so I go actually in opposite side. All parts was clean with degreaser and really deep clean, that is no old grease or something like this, so that cannot be squishy. All bearings was opened, new grease inside, clean it, new grease inside, and here I put the torque sensor back inside. That means that I try to do as best as possible that come all new grease, especially the grease which is on the parts that can be moving all the time and that needing. I was doing here with the thermal paste. The electronic completely part is with the thermal paste, the same like using in a computer things. It's together to aluminum with the thermal paste, which helps to cool down the electronic components, and this is really important for the engine. So especially from this perspective, I don't know why the Bosch doesn't wanna offer this service, and we need to do it actually alone, and this when it's out of the warranty, because the Bosch doesn't allow us to do these things. Here I come to almost assemble, but I quickly realized that I'm also just a human, so I forget one part inside, which will later show that I need to put everything back out and then inside. When I was cleaning the parts, I was a little bit mixing, and yeah, but I quickly realized where was the problem. So I was putting back everything on place, and was not a big issue that I would say that is something really wrong. Here I was looking if it's the parts on the correct place. So here you see the circlip, which I have it next to the foam, that this I forget it. So this is by the lower bearing inside, protected that the bearing doesn't jump out. So I put it back inside, and we go again, put everything on place, tighten like need to be, circlip back, torque sensor back. Was later was quite fast everything together, so this was not something that I would need to do really a big job. Here I put back inside the torque, the the converter for the torque and everything. I clean, and I put the silicone paste, the special one that nothing can come inside. This is not a silicone, this is just a seal using in car industry. I put everything back together, uh, that it's hold, and that's it. The engine was ready to go and customer was happy. uh, Engine was work really good, and see you by the next one. I hope that you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, and we do next time the new engine.